So, how much does it usually cost when you're traveling in the middle of a pandemic? It depends. It can take $1,000, it can take $20,000, depending on how and the business classes, the economy classes that you're going to take. Hopefully, having a negative PCR test helps, because if you don't have a negative PCR test, you'll have to quarantine in that country, usually for 7 days or 14 days. So, do you want to keep a budget when you're traveling? Yes. Get prepared? Yes. All the documents required. The documents have increased a lot over time. It's not the same world pre-pandemic versus now. The world has changed. The documents are required regardless of whether you have a visa or not, regardless of what passport do you have. So that is important, that keep a good budget, a couple of $1,000 ideally for a lavish traveling pandemic style. So hope this video helps.